Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhishek and today we are gonna discuss about economics. Well, to begin with economics, let us understand what is scarcity first. The word scarcity means limited amount of resources or any other thing. The main thing is scarce, that is limited. And now the thing is that economics is the study of how the society uses its limited resources. Okay. Uh, Now let's take an example. Suppose there is a boy A and he wanted to buy a car and his father gave him 7 lakh rupees. Earlier he was thinking that he will buy a car within a budget of 14 lakh rupees. But due to some reasons his father gave him only 7 lakh rupees. Okay. So what he has to do now, he has to see the car which may come in this budget. So he has to adjust within this amount of money. And let us suppose that A also wanted to make some modifications in the car. So what he'll do now is he'll spend let's say for example he'll spend 6 lakh rupees for his car and he'll spend the rest 1 lakh rupees by making modifications in his car. Okay, so he has made adjustment. So how we can say now, we can say that unlimited wants can be fulfilled by making adjustment due to scarce resources, and we have discussed that scarce resources means limited amount of resources. Okay, so whatever sources we have to adjust according to those resources to fulfill our never ending needs. Okay, so now let us come to the definition of economics. We can simply define it as how the society uses its limited resources. It is a study of that thing. Okay, so now we can see the theoretical part. We can see the example. The economic philosophy operates in our daily lives as well. For an example, let's say we have to go somewhere for a dinner or for in a party or somewhere else. So these are the decisions we make using the economic thinking, we can say. Okay, so we can say we live in a world of limited resources and economics help us to decide how to use this limited amount of resources to satisfy our needs. Economics is the study of how societies, government, business and individuals allocate their scarce resources. We already discussed about it. We'll have to adjust within the limited amount of resources which are available to us to satisfy our needs. Okay, now let's see from where the word economics has been derived. It is derived from the Greek word oikonomia. Okay, this means that the household management. Earlier, the economics was only fixed to the household management, but it is much more than that. It is also related to finance and a lot of things. It was first read in Greece, and Aristotle. Actually, it is Aristotle, Totle. Okay, and Aristotle, the Greek philosopher, termed economics as the science of household management. So that's it from this video. So guys, if you have learned something new, then click on the like button if you like the video, and I would love to hear your feedback. So, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel.